It is now 5:46 a.m. Monday. So here's an update on our plants for our um tawag ano, loam soil. As you can see, the seeds have already been germinated or they have sprouted already. As you can see, it is very obvious from the tree, and all of them already show. This is the pot A, which is the one who don't have any magnet. You can see it already have a seed, or it already grown, and as per observation, two of them successfully has been germinated, and it sprouted na, like it opened na. So yeah, you can see there. And as for the pot B, as to where the 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 smaller magnet is found, as you can see, it is also germinated or sprouted, and just like the A, I don't think they make any difference at all, but maybe it looks a bit bigger, maybe because it's just crooked, like that. It's crooked, but it's big, maybe a little bit bigger from pot A, not really sure, but it's more sprout. Then for pot C, to which is the bigger magnet is found, let me get that. So that's the other two. That's so been germinated, but just the same as the other two. Ah, ma! It's kind of the same as of now. Maybe it's cooked that way. It's cooked this way, while the pot B is cooked that way. So it kind of make the difference. But yeah, as of now, there isn't any much difference between the three. You can see I'm going to put this back. Wait, sorry. For the pot A, B, and C, there isn't much difference as of now. All of them sprouted at the same time, as per I last checked last night. All of them sprouted at the same time, as per I checked just now. And we'll see how they grow from this sprout to a bigger one. That's all.